GCRE represents a step change for our industry, and we're very proud that MoRPH is going to be a foundation part of the GCRE development. The Mobile Rail Panel Handler is a system designed for handling plainline and S&C track panels in complex rail renewals operations. The concept came from global research done by Unipart Rail.
Unipart Rail and Thomson Engineering Design are working in collaboration on the MoRPH project. We are combining our skill sets to deliver a range of machines that can deliver rail construction and maintenance projects in a safer, more efficient way. We believe rail companies globally will benefit from the MoRPH concept, as it will help deliver rail construction and maintenance projects in a safer and a more efficient way. We're working to complete the project by Q4 2024, where we'll complete a demonstration event at the GCRE site in South Wales. Our plans will be to take the MoRPH concept around the world. We believe there's global applications for this machine.
As a business, Thomson Engineering are investing their own money into the MoRPH project, and with the support of the funding from the Department of Business and Trade, this will help us significantly reduce risk and accelerate the project.
MoRPH is one part of a major investment that we're putting in between us to develop a completely revolutionary solution to new track installation. Innovate UK offers a fabulous opportunity for companies to accelerate their development process.